Do you know, we spend almost 1/3 of our life in sleep, and it is not unnecessary. If you sleep that part of your life well, then you will surely spend other 2 parts well. Sleep is often overlooked as a crucial component of overall health and well-being. It's the body's golden opportunity to repair and rejuvenate. During sleep, our brain consolidates memories, restores energy, and regulates hormones. When sleep is compromised, it can lead to a cascade of problems, including impaired cognitive function, mood disturbances, weakened immune system, and increased risk of chronic diseases. Insomnia, the persistent difficulty falling or staying asleep, affects millions worldwide. It's a complex condition with various underlying causes, such as stress, anxiety, lifestyle factors, and medical conditions. Chronic insomnia can significantly impact quality of life, leaving individuals feeling exhausted, irritable, and unable to function optimally. Now the question is how we can know that we are facing insomnia. To determine if you have insomnia, watch for common signs such as difficulty falling asleep, taking more than 30 minutes to drift off, or waking up frequently during the night and struggling to get back to sleep. Early morning awakenings, where you wake up too early and can't fall back asleep, are also indicative. If you experience daytime fatigue, irritability, or trouble concentrating, and feel generally unsatisfied with your sleep, not feeling refreshed despite spending sufficient time in bed, these are strong indicators of insomnia. Now it's time to look for the solution. One of the primary focuses of the book is on creating an environment conducive to sleep. This includes temperature, keeping the bedroom cool, ideally between 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. 2. Darkness, using blackout curtains or an eye mask to eliminate light. 3. Comfort, investing in a good mattress and pillows to ensure physical comfort. Next is developing a sleep routine. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule is crucial for regulating the body's internal clock. The book suggests some points. 1. Consistent bedtime and wake time, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. 2. Bedtime rituals, engaging in calming activities before bed, such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation exercises. 3. Limiting naps, avoiding long naps during the day, especially late in the afternoon. Next is the lifestyle changes for better sleep. 1. Diet, avoiding heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Opting for sleep-promoting foods like almonds, turkey, and chamomile tea. 2. Exercise, engaging in regular physical activity, but not too close to bedtime. 3. Exposure to natural light, getting plenty of sunlight during the day to help regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Next is the mind and body techniques. Relaxation and stress management techniques are vital for easing the mind and preparing the body for sleep. 1. Meditation and mindfulness, practicing mindfulness meditation to reduce stress and calm the mind. 2. Breathing exercises, techniques like the 4-7-8 breathing method to promote relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation, systematically tensing and relaxing different muscle groups to release physical tension. Next is the cognitive behavioral techniques. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia is a highly effective treatment for chronic insomnia, which includes 1. Sleep restriction. Limiting the amount of time spent in bed to the actual amount of sleep one gets, gradually increasing it as sleep improves. 2. Stimulus control. Associating the bed with sleep only, and avoiding other activities like watching TV or working in bed. 3. Cognitive restructuring. Challenging and changing negative thoughts and beliefs about sleep. Next is using technology wisely. While excessive screen time can hinder sleep, the book also suggests ways to use technology to one's advantage. 1. Blue light filters. Using apps or settings on devices to reduce blue light exposure in the evening. 2. Sleep apps. Utilizing apps that track sleep patterns or offer guided meditations and relaxing sounds. Hope this video was informative for you. Hit like and don't forget to subscribe.